Hey Joakim, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing one right here, and basically what this is a laptop backpack. You can definitely put like your laptop, or if you guys want to put other stuff in here, you definitely can. The one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is actually looks like inside right here. Let's take it out. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, you can definitely see the part right here. They do have the brand logo right there, and the product is all nicely wrapped up. Let's take off the wrapper first. Alright, so when you guys first take out the product, this actually looks right here. So you definitely have a very cool design on here that definitely give you guys that kind of like vintage design on here. But basically for the front part here, they do have a magnetic strap option. So if you guys open it up, you can definitely see how she has a strong magnet option on here. So they do have a zipper compartment right here. So if you guys open up, it's definitely very spacious. And the material that they have inside right here definitely feels pretty nice as well. So if you guys want to put like your power bank, your phone, or some other stuff inside right here, you definitely can. And definitely for the zipper right here, it definitely feels like a high quality zipper as well. So it shouldn't break anytime soon. If you guys can see on the side right here, they do have a compartment for you guys to put like a water bottle on here if you guys want to. And it fits like regular water bottles. It probably won't fit like big water bottles. And right above that, you can see right here, we do have a USB option right here. So if you guys want to use that option to actually charge the device, you definitely can. So basically the inside, you probably want to plug in like a power bank. But you see on the other side right here, they do have another compartment as well. So definitely put like a water bottle or other stuff inside right here. And then for the next part right here, there's another zipper as well. So let's open up. You definitely see inside right here is actually very spacious. So if you guys want to put like your tablet inside right here or some notebooks, you definitely can. It's definitely very spacious. And definitely have a little bit of padding on here as well, which is pretty cool. And then for the last zipper that we got right here, if you can see it's very spacious inside right here. So definitely if you guys want to put like your laptop, your tablets or whatever, you can definitely put a lot of stuff inside right here. And especially if you guys want to get like a backpack to use for school. This one here is actually very spacious. So definitely put like your notebooks, your textbooks or whatever inside right here. And then inside right here, you can see they do have an option for you guys to put your tablet, or if you guys want to put your laptop inside right here, you definitely can. And they do have this very nice strap right here. So that way you can strap the laptop inside right here that you hold in place. And they do have a little padding on here as well. So that way I should give you guys a little bit of protection on here to prevent the laptop from getting damaged or anything. So I'm going to put my laptop inside right here to show you guys what it actually looks like. So the laptop that we got right here is a 16 inch. Then I'm actually put it in to see what actually fits. So I'm going to slide it inside right here. And then strap it back in. So once we put it inside right here, you can definitely see that it actually does fit. And like I mentioned, we do have a 16-inch laptop. So it definitely fit like a 16-inch laptop or smaller. So once you guys have your stuff inside here, you guys can zip it back up. But I do want to show you guys the side compartment inside right here. So you probably can't see in the video right here, but they do have a side pocket right here with a zipper option. So basically, I actually open up that zipper part right here. So that way you can take out the cable to actually plug in the power bank. So you can use a USB option on the outside. Alright, so here is basically the cable inside right there. So you basically want to use this to actually plug it in. So I'm actually test it out to show you guys what actually works first. Alright, so I'm going to plug it into a power bank that we got right here. And for the power bank, you basically want to just put it inside. They do have a side pocket inside right next to the cable if you guys want to put it inside there. Alright, so we got it inside right there. I don't think you guys can see in the video, but we do have the power bank inside right here. But let's test out the USB option right here on the side first. So I'm plugging my USB cable right here. Alright, so we got it in. And for the other side, I want to plug it inside right here. Alright. So it definitely does work. So definitely the USB output right here definitely does work. So once you guys finish putting your stuff inside right here, you guys can zip it back up. And definitely love the way how they designed the zipper as well. It definitely has a very nice gold color on here. But once you guys are done, you guys can close this part up as well. And you basically want to clip this part back onto the magnetic option right here. Alright. So we're all done with that part right there. So this actually looks like in the front part here. If we've turned it to the back part here, this actually looks like on this side here. So they do have like a handle option right here if you guys want to use that option. And then basically for the back part right here, they do have the actual backpack strap. And for the strap right here, it definitely has like the mesh material on here to give you guys that comfort and support. They also give you guys that breathable option as well. And they do have the option right here for you guys to actually adjust it if you guys want to. So that way you guys make it tighter or looser. But that is basically everything that's on right here. Let me actually put it on to show you guys what it looks like first. Alright, so once you actually put it on, this actually looks on this side right here. If we turn it to the other side, this is basically actually looks on this side right here. You can see it actually looks really, really nice. If we turn it on the side right here, this actually looks on the side. And if you guys turn it on the other side, this actually looks on this side right here. So definitely when you guys put the backpack on right here, you can definitely use the cable right here to actually keep it charging. So that way if you guys want to actually hold it on your hand, you can definitely do that on here, which is pretty nice. But if you guys want to leave it inside backpack while it's charging, you can definitely do that as well. But definitely once you actually put this on, it actually feels really nice. It definitely has a very nice comfort on here because of that breathable material on here and also that mesh material as well. But that is basically everything that's on the bar here. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this backpack right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. And especially if you're trying to look for a high quality vintage backpack that looks exactly like the one that we got right here, that has all the different functionality that's on here or features, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.